Welcome to the Pisa base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you'll find the column, the base cover and the top plate. You will need thread lock and an impact drill. Firstly, unscrew the pre-assembled screws from the top of the column. Stand the column upright and place the base cover over the top. Grab the top plate and place it on top of the column, lining up the holes. Lastly, apply thread lock to the screws, place them through the holes and tighten with the drill. The Pisa is our only ground fixed base and comes in a coffee table, table and dry bar height, available in a stainless steel or black mild steel finish. These bases are perfect for booth seating or food court applications. We do not supply the diner bolts for this base and they will need to be sourced externally.